we go. Yep.
Doesn't say, hey, we're radical nuts.
It fits their index.
The left passes themselves off as being objective. You're the people that are out
Really
there,
aren't.
crazy
We're waiting on
people. Y'all are
WLOC.
crazy.
Transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation.
To her
An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office for Iris from. Iris is a 7-year-old biracial female, 5 feet 0 inches tall, 80 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Iris was last on March 1st, 2024 in the area of Blue Fox Trail in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Iris is possibly in the company of her non-custodial mother, Kayla Zarita. Zarita is a 30-year-old black female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Zarita is currently wanted by the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office for custodial interference and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office in California for felony child abduction. If you have seen Iris or Zarita or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office at 615-898-7770 or trace BI-180 or trace BI-FIND.
That's unfortunate.
I just want this.
Here we go.
Double with 1 out in the fifth. Pitch popped up and towards the infield. At the request of the following message is transmitted at the request of the issued on the year-old biracial female, 5 feet 0 inches tall. Female, 5 feet 0 inches tall, 80 pounds. Iris was last on March 1st, 2024 in the area of Blue Fox Trail. 2024 in the area of Blue Fox Trail. Possibly in the company of her non-custodial mother, Kayla, female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 140 pounds. With this tall, 140 pounds. With black hair and brown eyes. Office for custodial interference and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office in California. San Diego County Sheriff's Office in California. Iris or Sarita, or have information regarding Iris or Sarita. Contact the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office at please contact 987588014 77800. Find.
But they're just speaking.